Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows update error code 0x80070157 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu. And then, dito lang ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung troubleshoot settings. So, click mo lang itong open. And then next, dito sa troubleshoot. And then, dito sa options, under nito ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung other troubleshooters. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa other troubleshooters, dito lang sa most frequent, under nito ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows Update. And then, dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click itong run. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems and installations dito. Alright, so makikita nyo dito na troubleshooting has completed. And so ganun lang po kasimple, and hope na na-resolve yung error. But if the error still persists, do this another solutions. Alright, so close lang natin dito. And then dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select yung run as administrator. And then dito sa kanyang user account control, i-click mo lang itong yes. Okay, so dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsem /online /cleanup -image /restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, paste natin dito. And then, press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so kailangan lang natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Right, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin na type dito ay type mo lang yung sfc /scan now. So one word yung /scan now, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan, kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verification 100% complete, and then next step ay cross lang natin itong CMD, and then dito lang si start menu at click mo lang to restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang error code 0x80070157 Windows Update error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.